Alright guys, welcome back to the creek. We've been here 2 times I think and videoed it. Haven't we been here 2 times and videoed it?
I think so.
And we have, first I want to show you the fish that we've already caught. And we've caught 2 big ones. I'm just going to pull out one of them. Hold on, buddies. This guy right here. Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
He's about to escape.
So now let's pull this out.
You almost knocked that over. Those fish are scary.
And
I think I see a dead fish.
hey, can you take it? And there's a crawdad. Wait, there's a crawdad in there.
I know. Is it gonna eat the fishies? It's like a lobster. I've never seen one. It's like a lobster.
I used to watch videos all the time on catching crawdads.
I have a very good picture of it.
I didn't know this rock right here. I should have grabbed some. I almost grabbed some gloves. I didn't do it.
What about the pliers?
I'm gonna grab my flare.
Oh
Like that one
no!
right there.
Oh, that's big.
Put him in.
We gotta put that in the pond. That'll grow up to be at the. That's actually a good thing, cause now he can't like really move a lot.
He can't pinch you. He can't pick your fingers off.
Well, he still can.
That one's big.
Oh! Here, can I
Hello there, sir. He does not want you to
him
put
in the
your
water.
You got it? It's all right.
Is it on? Alright guys, look at that monster. Golly.
He's got the rope. Wait, he's grabbing the rope. He's grabbing the rope. Never mind, he's not anymore.
He's just trying to get in the water. He's just like,
No.
guys, I wish I had some footage on me. Tried to get in the trap because I liked that bread. But now I just want to go home. Bye guys. See you later. Bye. Guys, I'm really slow. Can you just help me out here? Guys, full screen also. Should I just see you? A little bit of it. Do we have some fish in here, guys? I'm gonna put one of them. They're beautiful.
Let me see it. That's a big one.
Yeah, I know. He's small. He'll. We got a bunch of big ones today. Hopefully we can do the same tomorrow. We actually set the trap overnight and found some leftover bread. This is probably the biggest one.
Let me see. Oh man, that's a good one.
There he goes.
There he goes.
I'm just gonna grab like a couple more and then I'll just dump them. I'm not. Jeez. Right. Now we just have some smaller ones. So?
Dump them all out.
Yeah, okay.
Put a little like poisonous creek water in there. Whoa.
They're getting close. Oh. I'll hold it up. Oh, there's still a big one. Let me show you guys that one. Kind of.
Oh.
The fish will take over.
Yikes!